A massive uptrend today. Almost put us up $2,000 on the PA account. Let's talk about that. Traders, welcome back to the Road to 20 PA video series. Today was day 38, and as you can see by the 2000 tick chart, today's price action looks bullish. Yes, you heard me correct. Bullish trends today. First time in a while. We've had plenty of red days, very bearish market the last 2 weeks, but today we had a 242 to almost a 100-point green candle on the daily. Let's see how we traded it in the live trades. Okay, starting the video as I'm planning on taking my first trade of the day if it forms well. What we're looking at here is we had this downtrend working lower. Oh, that looks awesome. Let's see if we can get a good signal bar real quickly. Sellers coming in. I really like that bar.
Order filled.
All right, and we are filled. Let's see if we can get the scalp real quick.
Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner. Sometimes I feel like my only friend is the city I live in.
Target filled.
All right, and we got the scalp really quickly. What we were looking at here was we had this shortened downtrend working lower. Actually, not shortened. It was a pretty good downtrend. Downtrend working lower. We had a break of the downtrend, and then we had a two-legged break of this downtrend. Perfectly measured. You can see these two legs right here with these arrows. And after you get a break of a trend, you can expect new extreme of the trend. So prices should reach the bottom of where the prices reached in the trend. Very textbook trade. From the top of this, we had first entry long, pullback, second entry long, failure. Very strong rejection bar right here. It traded all the way up and shot back down. You knew people were going to sell under that bar. It did close a little bit more green than I was hoping for, and it was a lot of risk to take. The strategy I trade, you're supposed to put your stop loss one tick above the signal bar, and it was so big that I didn't even want to put it that far up. So I just kept it at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is, it worked out, but it is a little bit more risky just because this bar was so big that it's showing how much volatility is in the market at the moment. So it very well could have just swung up and stopped me out because of how volatile and how many people were in the market, but it didn't. Made the scalp, and now we are looking for a runner. So let's see if we can get one.
The city of angels, lonely as I am, together we cry.
Stop filled.
Why am I getting slippage? All right, guys, and our runner just got stopped out. I was expecting more of a measured leg this way, but we didn't get it, but that's okay. It looks like it just tested the EMA one more time. We should still get down to this new extreme for this downtrend to play out, but we will see. I'll start the video when we take our next trade. All right, guys, starting the trade as I'm going to take my second trade of the day, 93.75. If we can get a trigger right here. See if EMA holds here. Trigger.
Order filled.
All right, and we are filled. See if we can get the quick scalp. What we had here was visual second entry long, and we also had from this high first entry long, second entry long, EMA holding, uptrend needs new extreme. Let's see if we can get the scalp and see if this uptrend can play out real quick.
I drive on the streets 'cause she's my companion. I walk through a
Target filled.
All right, we got the scalp. Again, what we were looking at is uptrend working higher. We got that break. Visual 2 legs down right here. Whoa, I don't mean to move this. Visual 2 legs down with these red legs. I can't click on it though. There you go. Visual 2 legs down. It did make a double tap. I cannot move this arrow, bro. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just deleting it. You see the 2 legs down. It did make a double tap right here, so that does reset the count, but it does not discredit the validity of these 2 legs down. So you can still enter off the visual second entry long, but as you can see, if you did enter on that visual second entry long over this bar right here, you would have got stopped out, and then EMA held again. You get 2 matching pin bars, signifying that buyers are coming in at the EMA. And then you get from this new high, since you reset the count, you get first entry long, pull back, second entry long. So 2 high probability setups in one with this uptrend needing new extreme. So we got context there. We got 2 second entry longs, 1 visual, 1 to the tick, and it worked for the scalp. See if we can get a runner real quick. We are forming some resistance right here. I'll draw the little line. So we might not get it, but we did push through the open of day, and we might get a strong, there might be a larger uptrend in play, something like this, but I don't want to draw. It's a little early for this, but if it is, we could get to the top of this trend line, which would mean a pretty decent runner. So let's see what happens.
She knows who I am. She sees my good deeds and she kisses me Wendy. And I never was.
Stop filled.
And our runner got stopped out. Yeah, it looks like we, as soon as this uptrend played out, you can see it started to consolidate, which is the sign of a new market cycle starting, which means we could get a little bit of consolidation and then a reversal pattern to the downside now. But I'll start the video when we get our next trade. And those were our 2 trades for the day. As you can see, pretty easy price action day. Nothing really was too hard. Both of our trades worked out stress-free, and that's exactly what you want to see while you're trading. I do want to talk a little bit more about this trade right here that we have. This was our second trade that you guys just saw, the last live trade that you saw. And again, we have visual second entry long, and then we have a micro second entry long right here, expecting new extreme of this uptrend. I did not have this larger trend in play, but I had it in the back of my mind, and I thought we could catch a huge runner. And as you can see, our trade scalped out right away, but then the correction came back, stopped our runner out, and right immediately after, we got this massive 40-point push to the upside. Guys, we were so close. This would have been about, let's see, let's do it exactly actually. So right here, if it didn't come back and stopped us out, we would have entered at 95.50, and this is at 39.50, so about a 45-point runner, which is about $2 grand. So close, but so far. First day on the PA account went well, but it could have gone much better. But you can't stress the little things. We had a great day. Price action was awesome, and we will take the 2-0 start on the PA account heading into the weekend. And then here's something you guys haven't seen in a while, the PA track sheet. For all the new subscribers here, we use this sheet on our PA accounts to track our progress, our win percentage, our daily winnings, our profit goals for the day, our weekly winnings, monthly winnings, all that good stuff, and win percentage, number of trades, average trades, all that cool stuff. I'm going to start showing it to you guys at the end of every trading session, at the end of every video that I trade the PA accounts on. So today, again, we had 2 wins, no losses, no break evens. We came out with $376.12 of profit, and we are 100% winning on the PA account. You gotta love it. And then guys, if you're still watching the video up until this point, that means you probably enjoyed the content. If so, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. I'd love to see the support from you guys, hear what you guys are thinking, the trades that you took, what you thought of the market today, and so on and so on. We are on the road to 100 subscribers by the end of November. If we hit it, I do have a brand new video idea for you guys, but you have to subscribe to find out. I hope you guys have a great weekend and study up on some charts over the weekend. Have a great day, guys. Peace.